Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can manage your video notifications on TikTok. So let's just open the application, shall we? And right now I am going to go to the profile page and I am going to click on the three dots on the top right corner of my screen. And under settings and privacy, I am going to go to the push notifications tab. So sorry, push notifications tab under content and activity. And right now it is on, but for instance, if you don't have these on, you won't get notifications from videos from accounts that you follow or video suggestions. So you're gonna want to click on sort of that settings, and you can also turn this off and on when somebody is going live on TikTok, and that is how you can sort of manage your video notifications on TikTok. You can also go to the live notification settings tab, and for instance, you want a notification for whenever this person goes live, so you can just press the get all live notifications. That is basically it for this video. Super quick and super simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't done this, please subscribe to this channel. It means a lot. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.